Hello, my dear beautiful Sag. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and in the best of your health with the current situation that we are in, coronavirus attack and the kind of justice that we have been waiting on for Sushant Singh Rajput. People around the globe are praying for his justice. Whatever is going around us right now, I hope that you are amidst of all this, you are in the best of your health and hygiene. Okay, and I will be doing a quick 10 minutes reading, and let's see how it goes from here. I'm saying 10 minutes reading, but then let's see, because a couple of the readings that I have done, they are very much of like kind of very intense kind of energy, so I had to read those cards and the way it comes. And I'm doing a channel messages right now, divinely guided messages. So I'm just going with the flow as I'm getting from the universe. Okay, so I will be pulling up one card because very recently we had a full moon, and then we have on 29th Saturn going direct, so you can expect some good karma returning to your life. Okay, with whatever good work, the reviews, the refocusing, the introspection, the contemplation, the meditation that you have done in order to come into your true authentic self, in order to come into your true authentic power. Let's see what universe has to tell you what to expect. Okay, and this is a bonus reading, Sag, so please take whatever resonates for you and leave the rest, and I will try to bring more of the positive energies. Okay, but I will go with the cards. All right, justice. What did I say? I was talking about justice, right? About Sushant Singh Rajput case, but what I feel is that, my dear beautiful Sag, it's about justice. When you think of this beautiful divine card, the major arcana, which is justice, right? It's a representation of Libra. So if you have strong Libra in your natal chart, you can take a look on that, or else if you are vibing in this energy, I would like to tell you that if you are vibing in this energy where you see, feel, touch everything in a divine form, because you by now knows that everything is a divine creation, and this universe is the ultimate ruler of it, including your life, and that he always do justice, right? Universe always do justice with you, my dear beautiful Sage. Universe will never leave you high and dry. So what I see straight away with this card, my dear beautiful Sage, that whatever you have been waiting for, as in whatever it says for you in the form of justice, any legal things that you have been fighting with, court cases, divorce, alimony, custody, whatever form it comes to you, when it comes to like Sag energy of understanding justice or getting justice, then universe is saying whatever you have been holding on for so long, you had those perseverance, you knew it that today or tomorrow justice will be served to you. Then with this full moon, something is coming into enlightenment into your life, which is going to completely change your life forever. You can expect divine justice coming your way. Whoever has betrayed you, deceived you, lied to you, all that kind of negative energies that was vibing in your energies around, that is coming to an end. Okay, that's a confirmation, you see. That's a confirmation, and that is coming to you once you release, let go, walk away, like that 8 of Cups. When you walk away from that kind of energy where you believe that yes, universe has my back and justice will be served to me, this is a kind of energy. What I feel, Sag, is that somebody comes to this point only after, going through those cycles of life, right? Understanding the karmas, the nitty-gritty of how the universe play its role, right? Once you understand all those, and you will always have this impact of Sag energies, right? Scorpio energy, because Scorpio is the 7th house and it's just before your house, right? It's the 8th house, right? It's being the 8th house, it is an intense energy, When you jump from Scorpionic energy to Sag energy, when you start to see things from ethical and unethical point of view, right and righteousness standpoint, when you start to see as in like there need to be having some kind of order in law and order in the justice form, like for the mankind, for the mass, for the human being, right? Or this Mother Earth in general. All right, take it however it resonates with you. You are coming into that full understanding of those intense energy of that Scorpio house. Once you have let go, shed those old skin, the let go of that old version of yours, that's when universe is ready to bring the justice to you. I'll tell you what about justice, my dear beautiful Sag. Through my own life experience, what I realize is that until you do justice to yourself, how divine has created you in divine form, taking care of your health, your body, your mind, your soul. And when you work on those energies, that's when universe always brings you abundance, right? That's when universe brings you justice, because now you have that understanding that you need to take care of yourself, right? You need to take care of your heart, body, mind, soul. You need to do justice to yourself in each and every form in order to seek that justice from the universe. Until you do justice to yourself, you cannot expect the universe to do justice to you, right? So this is what I get for you, my dear beautiful Librans. What to expect is that you are going to see things from a higher perspective, a higher dimension, and the much awaited justice that you have been looking for. With the Saturn going direct, you can expect some beautiful divine light coming into your life, which will definitely change your life 360 degree and give you a new beginning, a new a new world for you, and that long awaited justice will be served to you. Okay, so expect some good karmas returning to you as the moment Saturn will go direct, and you may be able to see those energies coming to you by the last week of this month. All right, so please pay close attention to the karmic depths you feel that you are coming in close with. So if you are seeing number 999 or number 101010 or 1111, then that's a big confirmation for you. Okay, that's a big confirmation for you, my dear beautiful Sag. Please pay attention to everything surrounding you. I wanted to pull tarot cards to see through this reading. What I feel is that you are soon going to have a tower moment, and this tower moment will take you by surprise when you will be able to see everything very, very clearly. And I'm very happy to see these two energies upside down, because 4 of Cups upside down and 8 of Swords upside down, that adds up to 3. Okay, if that number resonates with you, my dear beautiful Sag, please take however it resonates with you. What I feel is that you are coming out of this energy. What to expect with this full moon and that Saturn going direct, whatever you have been feeling so long, like stuck kind of energy, stalemate kind of energy, not able to see clearly, not able to move ahead, kind of like, wow, like stuck. Oh, people playing with your mind, going through those a dark night of the soul journey, you are going to have a tower moment in your life. This is going to bring a sudden realization into your life that will bring this energy that was like this for so long. Now it is going to come like this, upside down. That means you are going to release this energy. And for so long, if you have been feeling like this, left out, emotionally drained out, no one to listen, and no one to speak with, no one is there to understand you, respect you for who you are, not seeing anything, right? Not even seeing that universe has something beautiful for you awaiting, right? This Ace of Cups. If you are not seeing anything clearly, my dear beautiful Sag, universe is saying that soon you are going to have that tower moment. So don't you fear, my dear beautiful Sag. I know when we see this tower card, it really takes us to the core, right? It completely destroys us to the core, because until and unless God destroys that stagnant energy, that stalemate energy, how can you expect, justice? How can you expect, equality, abundance into your life, right? In order to come in, get this from the universe, in order to get this from the universe, you need to release yourself from this kind of emotions, this negative kind of energies around you, okay? Once you do that, my dear beautiful Sag, that's when you can expect wonders happening in your way, all right? And I am burning this candle right now, and this is such a beautiful omen. If you believe in omen, I would like to tell you, my dear beautiful Sag, with this new candle, this old is completely almost died out, right? And your condition is also like this. You are dead. You are dead. Now universe is going to revive you back, and in order to revive you back, universe is going to bring this ultimate thunderstorm, ultimate tower moment that will take you by surprise and release these two energies from your life and will bring justice into your existence. All right. So that's the message that I get for you, my dear beautiful Sag. Expect the unexpected coming your way. Just believe in the divine. Know that divine has your back, and divine is watching you. Divine has your back, and you are getting every protection from all the four corners of this universe, okay? Call up to the divine, look up to the divine, pray to the divine, and wait. All the perseverance, the longing, the craving, those tears that you have shed all along is now coming to an end, because you are going to get a divine justice from the universe. All right, expect a divine justice coming your way. All right. Our Archangel Michael says, your children are watched over by angels. Dear guardian angels of my children, born and unborn, thank you for watching over my children and ensuring their happiness and safety. Please guide me so that I know the best ways to be a good parent and role model for my own and other people's children. What I feel straight away when I see this card is that when I started reading the card, if you are waiting for some kind of alimonies, security about your children, if you are going through some court cases, or universe is going to bring that protection for security for your children or not, then this is a huge message for some that you need to hear. I will pull one more card. So this is specifically for those single parent, those who are fighting some kind of a battle, a long awaited battle, okay, now is coming to an end. Your children are divinely guided and protected, so don't worry. And it says admit the truth to yourself and act accordingly. I appreciate your support in helping me face my feelings with grace and acceptance so that I can be lovingly honest with myself and others. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for giving me courage and strength. So you have all the strength of this universe, my dear beautiful Sag, in order to delve with this this kind of energy, that stuck kind of energy, drained out kind of energy. If you have been stuck in this kind of energy, it's time that now you have to accept. If you are, after hearing me out, you are saying that, oh no, I am not, that means you are lying to yourself. When you will say that, yes, you're right, I mean, I am feeling like that, I'm feeling stuck, I am feeling like I cannot move on. This is just an illusion, right? This is just the thought. Once you change your perception, that's when you will be able to see those movements, right? Those justice coming your way. So universe is saying that expect some thunderstorm, some tower moments in your life, which will bring changes to your existence, and divine is going to really bless you with that divine justice. Okay, just believe in yourself, just believe in the divine. Know that universe has your back. Okay, all you need to do is just accept the truth the way it is. Don't try to manipulate or tamper that, right? Don't try to play with the facts and the figures, because truth is a truth. No lies in this world can hide the truth, my dear beautiful Sag. Please know that. And universe is asking you that it's time that you admit your truth. Okay, and with and here I get the angel message to close this reading. Your body needs refreshment for oxygenated air generated by grass, trees, plants and flowers. Spend time outside today, as near to Mother Nature's cradle as possible. Open your curtains and windows to refresh your home as well. Wow, such beautiful. When you can come into this energy, this fresh air of, rejuvenating your entire heart, body, mind, soul, come out of that drained and stuck and then mental conflict, mental illusion kind of thing. You can do that once you go out into the fresh air, right? So universe is asking you to please don't sit inside the home, even though it is quarantine. At least go out to the terrace, right? At least go out of your home and, check the outside world, right? Walk in the grass, right? Hold a tree, hug a beautiful tree, go out to the park, in the morning, woke up in the morning, then take a stroll to the park, nearby park if you have any, all right, in the green grass. Universe is just asking you to come in this fresh air. Possibly that with this quarantine that we are in right now, you might have, compressed or suppressed yourself inside one place inside your house, that you are not able to see things from a different perspective, right? That's why you are feeling stuck. That's why you are feeling drained out. Okay? And universe is asking you to please go out to the outside world. Even though it is quarantine, it's not about meeting people. At least walk up in the terrace or alone in the park. Then you will not see too many people walking in the park these days. So you can always go, right, with all the safety measures and precautions, right? When you are fine in your heart, body, mind, soul, that's when you will be able to manifest what you want to manifest in your life. Until and unless you do that, everything becomes a distant dream, right? Then you keep on prolonging that justice into your life. So universe is asking you now to speak that truth to yourself, asking you to come out of that stuck kind of energy, drained out kind of energy. If you are worried about your children, that is keeping you in that kind of energy, then universe is bringing the tower moment into your life that will bring some kind of stability that you have been looking for, because divine always works in the hard way, my dear beautiful Sag. Please know that. Okay, divine always works in the hard way. All right, So divine is really going to clean a lot of mess from your life. Thank you so very much for tuning in. If you are liking to what I'm doing, please do like, share and subscribe. And I bless you all in much love and light. This is Shivangsh signing off. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed and happy and keep chanting this mantra.